Okay, so I've commenced to starting the Fender 600 Champion to 5E1 champ conversion. The Michael X socket I mentioned is in place, and I was very lucky. The holes line up, so I think I have some nuts and bolts already in my part stock that will fit just fine. And now for the 12AX7, also got very lucky here. The previously existing holes and the screws that thread in the chassis tightly fit, and so I think I can just put this shield right here on top, maybe. Yeah, fits just fine, nice and snug, and we can bolt that on there. So then after that, have an authentic jewel that's actually metal and glass rather than the plastic garbage that came with this amp, and terminal strips. So I'm going to end up mounting 2 terminal strips on the bottom, and we'll utilize this power transformer and output transformer and possibly adapt this to a 6L6, just because I have a bunch of those in my tube stash and I only have 2 or 3 used 6V6s, but ideally we'd keep the same match, so we'd have the impedance and output. Especially important not to fry your output transformer. So yeah, I do have a nice metal can RCA 6V6 that would go great with this. Okie dokie, yeah, that wasn't too difficult. So I decided to use a Michael X socket here instead of the cheap porcelain ones that are available on eBay. That's what that was. And here's the jewel I'm going to be replacing. I think I mentioned that. That's just glass and metal, and the original, I think it's a Bakelite washer, and it's got a bayonet socket for a 6-volt lamp instead of the cheap LED drop resistor that was used originally in this amplifier. So we have Michael X 6L6 6V6 socket, octal, bolted in, finger tight for now, and then 2 terminal strips mounted on these screws. And 12AX7 9-pin socket loosely in place. I need find some nuts to put on here. And yeah, I've removed the quality control pass sticker that was over here on the chassis because I don't think I would have passed this amp as it was. So yeah, on with the build.